Good afternoon, everybody. Fanman Steve here once again. It is Tuesday, March 3, 2026. This is a package that delivered today. I told you in the community post that there was going to be a package, which was yesterday. I originally thought that it was going to deliver, and it totally turned out that it was going to be today. But anyway, here it is. Before I get to this, I just want to clarify that I saw that somebody's comment saying that is this supposed to be some kind of big surprise? And I usually use the community post as notifications and stuff like that. I mean, that is just the way that I do things. This is sort of a surprise, but this is also just my way of of you know letting everybody know that there's going to be material. And I know that I have not been filming in quite a while here lately, but anyhow, uh, this came from Zach the Fanman 76. This is a motor that I bought from him, and just for today, of course, I'm going to do the unboxing. We're going to have a look at the motor. Technically, this is supposed to be a parts motor, because from what Zach had told me, the motor does work. However, he wasn't exactly certain if the motor was any good. But I'm going to have a look at it. I'm going to find out what's going on with it. And I'm thinking of doing I'm going to test the motor. I'm going to do it outside. I'm not going to do it in the house because, like I said, I don't know exactly what shape this motor is in, and it's rainy outside, and so I'm going to do that another time. I have the information there covered up because that is information that I need to keep covert to the public. Show you something funny about the package. Beef. Okay, so it says beef, but is it going to be a beefy motor? Well, let's pop this thing open and see what we have. Beef burgers. Is there beef burgers in here? Did I order burgers? Oh, we're going to find out here in a minute. Alright, there it is. We're getting down to it. He did a decent job of packing this too, by the way. Alright, here it is. It's a hamburger. It's a big beefy burger too. It's a big hunk of meat on a couple of thick buns there. And it looks pretty daggum tasty. Wow, this motor is so clean. He even put a diagram on it too. Way to go, Zach. Thank you so much for this, buddy. This is a big help. This is the right diameter, shaft, and everything. Just what I needed. And get that to focus. And yes, it is a 6-shaded pull motor. Yeah. Let's see, is there a tag on it? No, there's no tag. It says works. This motor's in great shape. I'm going to have to find some longer bolts to where this is going to go on the box beam, because those are a little short. There's that case there. I don't know if I'll need that or not. Maybe I'll just remove it and figure out what to do with it. There's the shaft. That's nice and clean too. He told me that the mechanisms were very good. That's nice and free spinning. It's probably going to need some oil, but everything is looking pretty good here. Okay. Before I close out the video, this fan came off of a Westinghouse Mobile air fan. In case anybody was wondering, you can tell by this little piece here from where it mounts on inside the fan. I've never seen these fans up close. I've seen videos of them, but a lot of these had the same motor on it. What this motor is going to be used for is for one of my Wizard box fans, and that's going to be a replacement motor for this fan. I'm going to test it. I'm going to do it outside, and I'm going to see exactly what shape this thing is in. I'm going to have my kilowatt meter on me. Find out what's going on. I recollect Zach telling me it is a 3.2 amp rated motor. The original motor that went to my fan that this is going to be used for was a 2.6 amp 115 volt. This is 120 volt 3.2 amp. Now, if this works out properly, like I'm hoping it will, this will be a perfect fit, a good replacement. This is the armature that came out of my Wizard. Now the original casing and the shaft to this is pretty much worn out, and so this is going to be going into this if something happens to the stator. So, well, there you go, everybody. There's an unboxing of a Westinghouse motor. Shout out to Zach the Fanman 76. Thank you so much for this, bro. I will also be sure to mention you and give you a shout out on the fan groups. This is a big help, and until the next one, I will see you then. Over and out.